When I was in my early 20s, there was a woman I knew who confused every man around her. She wasn't the prettiest woman in the room. She didn't dress the most provocatively. She wasn't loud, flirty, or trying to be mysterious. And yet, men changed around her. Guys who said they weren't ready for commitment suddenly started acting like they were shopping for engagement rings. Men who ghosted other women suddenly replied to her texts within minutes. And the strangest part? She never tried to make this happen. Now, before you jump to conclusions, no, she wasn't playing mind games. She wasn't using manipulation tactics. She wasn't reading dating books or watching how to make him obsessed videos at 3 a.m. She simply had a few qualities that cannot be taught, only revealed. And today, I want to explain what those qualities are, because here's the brutal truth most people won't tell you. A man doesn't choose the one based on effort. He chooses her based on how he feels about himself when he's with her. And most women unknowingly sabotage this part. Now, let me pause here and ask you something. In your opinion, what do you think makes a man see a woman as the one? Is it loyalty, beauty, sex, support, being low maintenance? Those are the common answers, and they're also wrong. Because those are learnable behaviors. And today we're talking about unteachable qualities, the kind of traits that make a man stop looking, not because he's convinced, but because his nervous system settles. Quality 1. She is emotionally self-contained. This is the one that quietly eliminates 70% of competition. An emotionally self-contained woman is not cold. She's not distant. She's not unavailable. She simply does not leak anxiety. She enjoys a man, but she does not need him to regulate her emotions. And men can feel this instantly. Let me explain something important about male psychology. When a man senses that his presence is required for a woman's emotional stability, his subconscious starts categorizing her as a responsibility, not a partner. And responsibility kills romantic polarity. This is why men pull away from women who panic when texts are late, need constant reassurance, over-explain their feelings, try to talk things out every time they feel insecure. Even if the man likes her, something inside him tightens. But when a woman can sit with her own emotions without projecting them onto him, that feels rare, that feels peaceful, that feels like home. And peace is addictive. Quality 2. She doesn't try to be chosen. This one hurts a little. Stay with me. Most women believe attraction is about being picked, so they try to be agreeable, try to be easygoing, try to be the cool girl, try not to scare him away. But here's the paradox. The moment a woman starts trying to be chosen, she stops being choosable. Why? Because effort in this direction signals lower leverage. Men don't fall deeply for women who audition. They fall for women who observe. A woman who doesn't rush to prove herself sends a powerful message. I'm watching how you show up. And that subtle shift flips the entire dynamic. Suddenly, he starts adjusting his behavior. Suddenly, he wants to impress. Suddenly, he wonders where he stands. And no, she's not playing hard to get. She's simply not playing at all. Quality 3. She is honest without needing approval. This is where things get interesting. Most people think honesty is about being truthful, but that's not what men respond to. Men respond to unfiltered honesty that risks disapproval. Let me give you an example. If a woman says, "I like everything you do," that's honesty, but it's safe honesty. If she says, "I don't like that, it feels off to me," that's dangerous honesty. And dangerous honesty signals confidence. A woman who can calmly express discomfort, disagreement, or preference without apologizing for it activates something deep in a man's respect system. Because now he knows she has boundaries. She trusts her perception. She won't shapeshift to keep him. And here's the irony. Men are far more likely to commit to a woman who occasionally disapproves of them than to one who constantly validates them. Approval feels nice. Respect feels grounding, and grounding is what men associate with the one. Quality 4. She has a life that doesn't orbit him. This one is deceptively simple and brutally misunderstood. A woman who has a full life, friends, interests, passions, routines, creates healthy distance without trying. And distance is not disconnection. Distance is space for desire. When a man senses that a woman's happiness doesn't rise and fall with his availability, something strange happens. He relaxes. He doesn't feel trapped. He doesn't feel monitored. He doesn't feel like he's carrying emotional weight. Instead, he feels invited. An invitation is far more powerful than pressure. The mistake many women make is thinking closeness creates security. But for men, freedom creates attachment. The man who feels free chooses to stay. Now, before we continue, I want to make something very clear. None of these qualities are tactics. You cannot act emotionally self-contained. You cannot fake self-respect for long. You cannot pretend not to care. Men sense incongruence faster than people realize. That's why these qualities are called unteachable. They emerge when a woman stops trying to perform attraction and starts living in alignment. Now, if you watched part 1 carefully, you probably noticed something important. None of those qualities were about doing more. They weren't about giving more, sacrificing more, loving harder, being better. And that's already uncomfortable for a lot of people, because most women were taught that love is earned through effort. But men don't commit because of effort. They commit because of how safe, free, and grounded they feel in a woman's presence. Let's continue. Quality 5. She doesn't compete with other women. This one quietly rewires a man's brain. A woman who doesn't compete doesn't check who liked his photos, ask about his female friends with tension in her voice, subtly compares herself to other women, fish for reassurance. And before you misunderstand this doesn't mean she has no standards. It means she has self-trust. When a woman isn't trying to win, she signals something extremely rare. I don't see other women as a threat. That tells a man 2 things at once. First, she believes she's enough. Second, she believes he will reveal his character on his own. And here's the strange part. The less a woman competes, the more a man feels like losing her would actually cost him something. Competition screams insecurity. Non-competition whispers confidence. And confidence is quiet, but loud in impact. Quality 6. She can sit in silence without forcing connection. This one is subtle, but devastatingly powerful. Most people are terrified of silence. They rush to fill gaps in conversation, explain themselves, ask questions just to keep things moving, create vibes artificially. But a woman who can sit comfortably in silence does something different. She lets moments breathe. She doesn't chase stimulation. She doesn't perform emotional labor. She doesn't panic when energy drops for a second. And that signals emotional maturity at a very high level. Because silence is where a man's subconscious relaxes, it's where he stops feeling evaluated, it's where he stops performing, it's where he can just exist. And when a man feels allowed to exist as he is, without pressure, that's when attachment starts forming quietly, not dramatically, not passionately, but deeply. Quality 7. She doesn't need to be understood to feel secure. This is the final one, and it's the most important. Most women want to be understood, which is normal, which is human. But the woman a man commits to doesn't require understanding to feel stable. She doesn't say, "You're not hearing me. You don't get how I feel. I just want you to understand." She expresses herself clearly, but she doesn't collapse if she isn't fully mirrored. Why does this matter? Because many men feel emotionally incompetent. They don't always know how to respond perfectly. They don't always say the right thing. They don't always process emotions verbally. When a woman needs him to understand her at a deep emotional level to feel okay, he feels pressure. And pressure slowly erodes attraction. But when a woman can say, "This is how I feel," and still remain grounded even if he doesn't fully grasp it, he feels relief, and relief turns into loyalty. Because now he knows, I don't have to be perfect to keep her. And paradoxically, that makes him want to try harder. Now let me connect all of this for you. None of these qualities scream for attention. They don't create fireworks on the first date. They don't guarantee obsession in week 1. They don't manipulate emotions. What they do is far more powerful. They make a man feel settled. And that's what most people misunderstand about commitment. Men don't commit when they feel excited. They commit when they feel anchored. Excitement makes men chase. Stability makes men stay. Let me go back to the woman I mentioned at the beginning, the one who confused men. She wasn't perfect, she wasn't flawless, she wasn't trying to be the one. She simply lived from a place of internal alignment. She didn't need a man to choose her because she had already chosen herself. And that's the quiet truth no one wants to say out loud. The woman a man commits to is rarely the woman who wants commitment the most. She's the woman who would be okay either way. If you take anything from this video, let it be this. Stop trying to become the one. Start removing the things that make you abandon yourself for love, because the moment you stop leaking anxiety, approval seeking, and emotional pressure, you don't just become attractive, you become unforgettable. If you're still watching, I appreciate you more than you know. This is Brainy Facts, and I'll see you in the next video.